Are you trying to come up with gift ideas, especially healthy gift ideas? Gifts that say, I support your health and wellness. I have 8 gift ideas, gift suggestions for the upcoming holiday season. And if any of these seem like a good gift for yourself, consider that too and take care of your own health and fitness journey. The first one is great for somebody who does a lot of walking. And it is, I would do this as maybe a combo gift, a beanie with a built-in light. Let's have a look. It has 3 levels of light and a reflective vest. This is my reflective vest. I got a nice roomy one that fits over top of a coat. And then I put my hat on and I put my light on. So right now the days are short and it's dark in the morning and dark in the evening. Depending on when you're doing a walk, it's really important to stay safe and visible. So my husband and I and our small dog, here's my dog's lighted collar. We go for a walk just about every evening before dinner. And right now it's either just starting to get dark or it's dark. And we've actually had people driving by and slow down and say thank you because we're so lit up. And if you've ever been a driver, you drive past somebody who's all in dark clothes and you realize as you're going past them that you didn't even see them. It's really true that, you know, unless you have bright colored clothes with reflective gear and lights, you can be very invisible when you're out walking. So this reflective lighted gift says, you know, I want you to keep walking. I want you to be safe and visible. Next on my list, granola. So when we make our gifts, when we make something and you know, bring it over to a neighbor, add it to another gift, it really says that I was thinking about you. It makes it really special. So the granola that I made, I use a recipe from Ellen at Ellen's Healthy Kitchen, and this is full of healthy ingredients. It's no oil added, made on the stovetop. I'm really enjoying this recipe a lot. Within half an hour, I had made the granola, let it cool, put it in some jars, ready to go. And with granola, you can adjust the ingredients a little bit. So the person you're making it for, you might know certain preferences or allergies, so you can make those adjustments. And like I said, just put it in a jar, put a little bow on top, and you're ready to go with a lovely gift. So yeah, I really like Ellen's recipe, and I will link everything I'm talking about. There'll be links in the description below, including other YouTube channels that I mentioned. So you can go, you can check out Ellen's Healthy Kitchen, her YouTube channel, and I will also link specifically this granola recipe. The newest addition to my home workout gear is this kettlebell, kettlebell. And I'm really enjoying this. So I went with a 15-pound or 6.8 kilogram kettlebell. And I was deciding between the next lighter one, which I think is 10 pounds, and this one. But I already have a set of 4-pound dumbbells, a set of 8-pound dumbbells. And so I wanted to add something with a little more weight. So when I'm doing squats, you know, lunges, holding it at my side, doing a kettlebell carry or a suitcase carry where we hold it and walk back and forth, it was just adding that extra weight. And the thing that's really nice about kettlebells, as I'm kind of going down the kettlebell journey, is a lot of the exercises mimic what we do in our day-to-day life. For example, if I'm holding the kettlebell on one side and doing that suitcase carry, that's the same activity that we're doing when we're holding a heavy bag of groceries and carrying it from the car into the house. I've been referring to another YouTube channel, Gym Over 30. Mohit has tons of great information on kettlebells. I referred to his video on, for one thing, for how to choose your first kettlebell. And he has, you're never too old for kettlebells, my 5 favorite exercises, tons of information there. So again, go check out Gym Over 30 for more information. So I think that kettlebell makes a great gift for somebody that maybe already has some home workout equipment, like maybe a set of dumbbells, maybe some resistance bands, and they're looking for, something to add some variety, something new. Maybe you'd like to try something new for your home workouts. So that is the kettlebell. For the person who is just maybe starting into doing home workouts, starting onto their fitness journey, getting back into it, is doing some home workouts, but maybe doesn't have any gear yet, or doesn't have resistance bands, I always recommend a pack of resistance bands. So this little tiny lightweight pack that can go with you anywhere. You can take it traveling, you can put it in a drawer. It has 5 resistance bands. And usually they come in these packs with 3 to 5 or even 7 different resistance. So this one is great because it starts with the extra light, light, medium, heavy, extra heavy. So depending on the exercise, depending on the muscles you're using, for upper body, I would go lighter, and then for lower body, I'll go heavier because they're bigger muscles. But you can find what works for you, and there's so many exercises that we can do with resistance bands. I'll link a couple of my workouts that I do using these. I think this makes a great gift on its own. It's budget friendly. This pack is around $10. I know it's for sure it's under $20. And for example, you could have resistance bands and granola, put that together as a way to say, I support your health and wellness, and you've covered 2 of the biggest pillars of taking care of our health, nutrition and exercise. So resistance bands, a great gift. A classic gift is a book, and that brings me to one of my own products. I have a book called Walker to 30-Minute Runner. A few years ago, I designed a beginner running clinic and ran it in person for several years. The purpose of the clinic was to take people who are already walking comfortably, for half an hour or more, and want to start running. And so we would go from walking for 30 minutes, 8 weeks later, running for 30 minutes. We start by adding every 5 minutes, there is a 30-second run interval, and then we add on to the run intervals. So the whole clinic, all the information is in this book. This is available on Amazon. For each of the days, I have warm-up exercises, cool-down exercises, the intervals that you're going to do that day, a place to record your log. There's bonus in the back. There's some recipes. So for somebody who has been thinking about starting running or getting back to running, this could make a really great gift. Another new addition for me this year is my weighted vest. I went with a 6-pound weighted vest, and I'm very happy with it. I've had it for about 5 months now, and I use it, to put it on when I'm going for a walk and I want to just add a little bit extra. And I'll do some body weight workouts and add the vest, again, just adding that extra 6 pounds. The reason I went with 6 pounds as opposed to going with a heavier weight is I had read some reviews on weighted vests where people talk about it aggravating tension in the upper back, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to enjoy putting it on and not hesitate to put it on. So I went with I think it's about a 4% of my body weight as opposed to going heavier. And it's just part of my fitness plan. So it's just one thing that I can add on. And I find when I have it on for walks, for example, if I'm going up a hill, I can tell that I'm wearing the vest, both in terms of, that extra cardio, extra leg strength that's going on. I also chose bright pink, again, for visibility. That would be more like daytime visibility. And yeah, I really enjoy this weighted vest. So that's another thought for a gift idea. I have to mention what I'm sitting on right now, my Lululemon yoga mat. I have had this mat for years, like literally years and years, and I use it all the time. I do my own yoga practice, and I'm also a mat Pilates instructor. I teach mat Pilates using this mat, so I'm using it easily 3 times a week, like I said, and that's consistently for years, and it's just held up so well. It is a higher priced item, so it's a special gift, and maybe it's a special gift for yourself. But in terms of the grip, it has great grip. So if I'm doing like a hands and knees position and lifting arms and legs, I know that I'm not going to feel any slippage. It has really great cushioning if I am, again, on my knees. For the hands, the cushioning is great. It has really held up over time, easy to clean. So Lululemon yoga mat for that little bit higher priced gift idea. Now we're going to go from that higher price to a couple of free gift ideas. If there's somebody you know who maybe you've talked about, like, oh, we should do this hike together, or an older relative who you know would just love it if you came and picked them up and took them to a really nice park and did a walk around a pond, those sort of things. You could design your own Word document, print it out, fold it up, put it in a card, and I would be very specific and just say, on such and such a date, I'm going to pick you up at this time. I'm going to pack lunches. We're going to do that hike we talked about. We're going to go, walk around the pond, and really giving the gift of what is most precious, your time, and supporting that healthy lifestyle. I think that just says so much more than, rushing out to the drugstore and picking up whatever you could find and, giving that as a gift. You're saying, and of course, and that also putting it on your calendar so you are sure, that you're going to do that together. That could be a great healthy gift that doesn't cost anything other than, if you bring some lunches, then that's a cost. And speaking of things that are free that you can print out, I have a couple of free one-page printable documents. The first one is this Start Fitness Checklist. It's just one page. And again, for someone who's starting on their fitness journey, getting back into fitness, it covers things like safety considerations, schedule, equipment, in a one-page document that you can print out for free. I also have seated exercise list. It's another one of my documents. This one has, I think it's 13 exercises, and these are designed so you can do them anywhere. So if you're a passenger in a car on a long car trip, if you're sitting at an airport, if you're sitting in front of the TV, these are exercises that can be done to prevent stiffness, just to keep movement in the body. I'll put the links to these 2 documents in the top pinned comment, as well as in the description with everything else. And what you do is you just click on the link, it'll pop up, you give your email address, and then get my seated exercise list or get my Start Fitness checklist, and it'll pop up success, and click here, and you just click on that link that says seated exercises or Start Fitness, and you can download and print as many as you want. So comment below which of these gift ideas is kind of resonating with you. What healthy gift ideas do you have to share with the community? I'd love to hear from you. And I'll link up here some more healthy gift ideas, and as well as a workout that we can do together. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in a workout. Take good care.